Hey guys, NV here, and I want to talk a little bit about my goal here. I basically want to give back to beginners and someone that is, or people that are absolute beginners to Photoshop and know nothing about Photoshop. They may have even heard of it and launched it and had no clue where to go. They were just discouraged or whatever the case may be. My goal here is to help you out with the basics of Photoshop, and I do mean the basics. And I really want to express that having a good connection with people is imperative. It's very important. And I will note that the most of my videos I'll ever upload will be raw and unedited for the most part in the sense of my commentary or mistakes that I make within Photoshop. I will not edit these out because I want you to see that I make mistakes, even at my level, and I want to show you how to correct those mistakes if they were to happen. That way you're aware that, everyone makes mistakes. Videos nowadays, they're so edited and polished to where you really can't even gauge that personality or the character of that person. It's just too edited. And I want you guys to have a connection with me, and I want you to see my character in the sense of my personality, and I want you to be able to engage with these videos and feel like you're watching an actual, another human being rather than so scripted. None of these will be scripted. They are raw. None of these are rehearsed. I want you to know that. And I do have 18 plus years of experience in Photoshop alone. I am not certified or professional, but I am self-taught. I just don't have the certificate, okay? It's not that I couldn't, I just never did. I have a true passion and a personal passion in graphic and Photoshop in general. And if you have the similar, passion and interest as I do, then we are going to have an amazing journey in working together. And I hope you guys will come along and enjoy and relax and watch my videos and walk away with some confidence. And I want you to be inspired, not intimidated. And I want to avoid all the technical jargon as much as possible. Sometimes you just can't, but I'm not going to go into all technical detail. I just want to get into it. And like it says, I want you to have hands on because that's personally how I learn. The best is hands on. And I want to make this more of a visual and direct video to you guys. And until then, I will see you guys soon.